So, welcome to tutorial 2. Today we're going to do a very brief PHP tutorial, our first PHP tutorial on the channel, which is basically going to be about writing your first PHP script. If you've heard about PHP but never actually used it before and you're wondering how to get started, this tutorial will be useful for you. So, I'm not sure how much you know about PHP, but it's been used to write a lot of websites. The first version of YouTube was written in PHP, and the first version of Facebook was written in PHP, so it's quite very powerful server-side language. So it's useful to know. So you can't run a PHP script on your normal, with your normal laptop configuration and setup. You have to make some changes. So what we'll do is we'll Google WAMP, which is a type of server-side software you can use. And if you go on the first link, wampserver.com, and click on the link which says start using WAMP server, there's various downloads for it here, and if you download the one which is most appropriate to your system and go through the various dialog boxes during the setup, what you'll get once it's installed is you should get the WAMP icon. You'll either get it in your list of installed programs here. Doesn't appear to show. Yep, here it is. For example, you'll get it in your list of installed programs, or you'll get it on your taskbar here. So if we fire that up, and if we go to the tray, it's actually started already, but we can stop all services just to show you. So we stop the WAMP server, and we can also click on it to start all services. When all services are started, the WAMP server icon should appear in green. And then if we then go to a browser and visit localhost, we'll get taken to the WAMP server homepage, hopefully. Yep, so that's telling us that the WAMP server is installed on our server. And the WAMP server comes with PHP. It comes with a PHP interpreter, so you can write PHP code. And it tells us that we're running PHP version 5.5 and Apache version. Apache is the web server to allow you to do server-side programs, and obviously the PHP interpreter is version 5.5. So this just tells you all the different PHP extensions that are installed. So we can now have a look at writing our first PHP code. We'll just do a basic hello world script. So if we load up Notepad and we come out of our form file, we'll open up a new file and we shall save this, and we will browse to our WAMP home directory so that we can use the WAMP PHP interpreter. So if we click on the C drive and we click on WAMP, it's normally C/WAMP is where the WAMP installation is. And if we go to www, which is a home folder, and if we save this as a PHP file, and if we just save it as hello world.php, so at the start of any PHP file we have to do an opening PHP tag in order to tell the in order to tell the server that we're writing PHP code. So let's start that now. So a PHP tag is an opening PHP tag is a left arrow / question mark and then PHP. A closing PHP tag to signify the end of the PHP code is a question mark followed by a right arrow. And anything that's in between these two tags, anything from line 2 to 4, is going to be interpreted by the server as PHP code. So what we could do here is just basic echo, which is the PHP statement to write out to the screen. And we'll do a starting bracket, closing bracket, and a semicolon to execute the command. Semicolon is very important. The command won't be executed unless you put a semicolon at the end of the statement. And we'll just say hello world. So it's very, very simple hello world program. It only uses up 3 lines of code. And let's just save that. And we should be able to access it by, if we type in localhost into the address bar of the browser, that should automatically take us to the folder // and then if we do localhost / hello world.php, that should take us to the hello world file that we've just written. So let's try that. If we go to localhost / hello world.php, and it does, and it puts out hello world to the screen. So that's you written your first PHP script. Fairly straightforward and simple, but it gives you an idea of how to get started writing PHP code if you've never done it before. Okay, thanks for watching.